I'm Chad Vanderkooi and I'm a fabrication specialist. On a typical day, I'll come in and look at my drawings and check the specifications, and then if I have the materials on hand, I'll start to cut the materials. If not, I'll make an order for new materials. I started welding when I was about 12 years old. I wanted to build a go-kart. My father had an arc welder, so he kind of showed me how to arc weld a little bit, and it kind of snowballed since then. There's a need for welders everywhere. You could have your own business. You don't need much for a startup to be a mobile welder. Qualities that would make a strong fabrication person would be attention to detail, strong work ethic. Right now, you can pretty much do anywhere in the world. You can underwater weld, you can TIG weld, you can MIG weld, you can arc weld. And there's also laser welding, which is a new form of welding, which is really pretty cool. And in the future, maybe you can weld on a space station or on Mars. I mean, it's limitless.